What is the depth to diameter ratio obtained in drilling process using laser beam machining? A 10:1, B 21, C 51, D 81. The correct answer is 51. What are the values of diameters obtained by using laser drilling process? A 0.00010 0.001 millimeters, B 0.0010.01 millimeters, C 0.005 1.25 millimeters, D 1.5 10.5 millimeters. The correct answer is 0.005 1.25 millimeters. What is the value of minimum corner radius obtained by drilling in laser beam machining? A 0.10 millimeters, B 0.25 millimeters, C 0.50 millimeters, D 0.65 millimeters. The correct answer is 0.25 millimeters. What is the value the maximum optimum depth that can be machined using laser drilling process? A 0.17 millimeters, B 1.7 millimeters, C 17.1 millimeters, D 171.7 millimeters. The correct answer is 1.7 millimeters. What are the values of entrance angles that vary in laser drilling process? A 0.11 OC, B 15 OC, C 1590 OC, D 9150 OC. The correct answer is 1590 OC. The taper obtained in laser drilling process is how much of the whole diameter? A 15, B 520, C 2050, D 5090. The correct answer is 520. What are the tolerance values obtained when we use laser drilling process? A 0.15, B 520, C 2550, D 5080. The correct answer is 520. What is the maximum value of drilling depth in trepanning method of laser drilling process? A 1.7 millimeters, B 4.3 millimeters, C 6.4 millimeters, D 7.9 millimeters. The correct answer is 6.4 millimeters. Laser drilling has proven to be more efficient in which of the following factors? A. Cost, B. Quality, C. Reliability, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Other non-conventional processes lay behind laser beam machining in drilling process because of which factors below? A. High cost, B. Long lead times, C. Low machining speeds, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. What happens when the heat is diffused into bulk material? A. Phase change occurs, B. Melting occurs, C. Vaporization may take place, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following are different laser drilling processes in laser beam machining? A. Direct drilling, B. Drill and ream, C. Trepanning, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following are the applications of laser beam machining? A. Drilling, B. Cutting, C. Texturing, D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. The hole size in direct drilling depend upon which of the factors below? A. Input power, B. Focusing adjustments, C. Input power focusing adjustments, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is input power focusing adjustments. What is the material removal mechanism of laser beam machining process? A. Melt and evaporate, B. Electrochemical corrosion, C. Mechanical erosion of materials. D. Electrochemical dissolution. The correct answer is melt and evaporate. Physics of laser is very complex due to which of the reasons below? A. Scattering loss. B. Reflection loss. C. Scattering reflection loss. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is scattering reflection loss. Which method mentioned below is used for drilling of large size holes? A. Direct drilling. B. Drill and ream. C. Trepanning. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is trepanning. State whether the following statement is true or false regarding the drilling using LBM. Compared to LBM, conventional machining is more accurate and efficient. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.